The KitchenAid KES6551 Espresso Machine is designed for enthusiasts who enjoy hands-on espresso making, allowing you to craft a variety of drinks such as espresso, Americano, latte, and cappuccino. Its durable metal-clad construction not only ensures longevity and reliability, but also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen, and it comes with a 2-year warranty for added peace of mind. The smart dosing technology simplifies the preparation process by delivering the perfect volume and consistency for 1 or 2 shots of espresso at the push of a button. The commercial-grade easy-tamp portafilter with a 58mm flat base ensures consistent, optimal flavor and rich crema by providing a stable tamping surface. The multi-angle steam wand is versatile, allowing you to create rich foam or steamed milk with ease, perfect for a variety of homemade beverages. Thanks to its fast heating technology, the machine quickly reaches the ideal brewing temperature, so you do not have to wait long to enjoy your espresso.